These are the only exercises you need to stay strong even after 50 years old. Have you noticed how time seems to accelerate after 50? The body responds differently, strength is no longer the same, breath becomes shorter, muscles seem less firm, less responsive. And even though the mind remains as sharp as ever, the real danger lies in acceptance, in the belief that this is just how it is, that it's part of aging, that there's no way around it. It's in this silent resignation where the true enemy lies. Because when we accept that it's normal to lose strength, endurance, and mobility, we stop doing what could reverse this process. Yes, this process is reversible. And the best part, by performing just a few simple exercises that don't require a gym and are completely adaptable to your current condition, even if you've never exercised before. Today, I won't just show you the exercises, but also teach you how to adapt them to your current level, how to progress safely, and share a complete weekly routine for you to implement in your life. Exercise 3, push-ups. I know you might be thinking something like, oh, the same exercise as always. But believe me, few movements in the history of physical training have the effectiveness of the push-up. This ancient exercise continues to be one of the most efficient ways to strengthen the upper body without needing absolutely any equipment. The push-up primarily works the chest, triceps, and shoulders, fundamental muscles for practically any movement we make with our arms in daily life. When you push a shopping cart, lift a heavy pot, or need to get up after a fall, these are the muscles that come into action. But beyond these, the push-up also engages the core, that set of muscles that surrounds the entire central region of the body, including abdomen, lower back, and even the glutes. A strong core means better posture, less back pain, and greater overall stability. The basic form is simple to understand. You place your hands and feet on the floor, keep your body straight like a board, and bend and straighten your elbows. But within this simplicity exists a world of nuances that make all the difference. Now let's talk about adaptations, because this is a crucial point for those who are resuming or starting physical activity after 50. The traditional push-up, with the body extended and supported only on hands and feet, can be very challenging initially, and that's perfectly fine. True wisdom lies in respecting your starting point and building from there. For beginners, I recommend wall push-ups. Stand about an arm's length away from a wall. Place your palms at shoulder height and simply bend your elbow, bringing your chest toward the wall, then push back. This movement activates the same muscles as the traditional push-up, but with a fraction of the load. It's perfect for building initial strength, and most importantly, for learning the correct movement pattern. As this version becomes easy, and believe me, this will happen faster than you imagine, you can progress to the inclined push-up. Instead of the wall, you can use a table, a counter, the back of a sofa, or any stable surface that is at waist height or slightly below. Eventually, you can move on to push-ups with knees on the floor. This is an excellent transition before the full push-up, significantly reducing the load, but still providing effective stimulation for the muscles. And when the traditional push-up becomes part of your routine and starts to seem easier, then we have progressions like the declined push-up, where the feet are elevated in relation to the hands. This variation transfers more weight to the upper body, intensifying the work in the chest and shoulder muscles. But just as important as knowing the variations is executing the movement correctly. Regardless of the version you choose, some principles are universal. Always try to keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, or to knees in the modified version. Don't let your hips drop or rise. The elbows should form about a 45 degrees angle with your body. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Don't rush. Controlled movements are always superior. Keep your head aligned with your spine, don't push it forward. As for the ideal quantity, start with what is challenging but achievable. Perhaps only 5 repetitions per set of the wall version, or maybe you can already do 10 push-ups with knees supported. Rest about 60 to 90 seconds between sets, or more if necessary. With consistency, you'll feel that gratifying sensation of progress. Suddenly, those first 5 difficult repetitions transform into 10, then 12, and then you're ready for the next variation. Exercise 2, squats. If there's a movement that directly reflects our autonomy in daily life, that movement is the squat. Think about it. How many times do you sit down and get up from a chair, a sofa, or a toilet? How many times do you need to pick up something that fell on the floor? When you perform a squat, you're recruiting at the same time the largest muscle groups in your body: quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and deep core muscles. Squatting strengthens the knee and hip joints, improves flexibility, and stimulates the natural production of anabolic hormones in the body, those responsible for maintaining and growing muscle. Sarcopenia, the technical name for age-related muscle loss, is one of the main reasons why elderly people lose mobility and independence. The squat is a powerful weapon against this process. Start with the assisted squat. Use a stable support, like the back of a sturdy chair, to help maintain balance. Eventually progress to the free squat, and later add light weights or increase repetitions. For those with knee problems, try the partial squat. Only go down as far as comfortable. Over time, you'll be able to increase the range. Execution tips: feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly outward. Push hips back as if sitting in a chair. Keep chest lifted and spine neutral. Knees should follow the direction of the toes. Don't let your heels lift off the floor. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Increase to 3 to 4 sets as endurance improves. Rest 90 to 180 seconds between sets. Exercise 1. Planks. The core is not just your abs, it includes deep muscles like the transverse abdominis, obliques, lower back, diaphragm, and even parts of the hip. With aging, the loss of tone in these deep muscles is linked to back pain, balance issues, and incontinence. The plank strengthens these muscles and trains the body to stabilize the spine. It improves posture, reduces back pain, and boosts overall stability. Basic version: forearms on the ground, elbows under shoulders, feet hip-width apart, body in a straight line. Modifications: knees on the floor or standing against a wall or using a countertop. Key technique tips: maintain a neutral spine, actively engage your core, keep shoulders relaxed, breathe steadily, avoid dropping or raising the hips. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 20 seconds, resting 45 to 75 seconds between sets. Gradually increase to 30, 45, or 60 seconds as your endurance improves. Weekly routine sample: Monday, warm up 5 minutes, push-ups 3 sets, squats 3 sets, planks 2 sets, stretch. Tuesday, active recovery 20 to 30 minute walk or light mobility. Wednesday, warm up squats 3 sets, increase reps if ready, planks 3 sets, increase hold time, push-ups 2 sets. Thursday, active recovery like Tuesday. Friday, warm up 7 to 8 minutes, circuit 1 set of each exercise, repeat 3 times, minimal rest. Stretch. Thank you for watching this far. Share your thoughts with us in the comments. See you in the next one.